kitchen. Everything's here. Washer dryer. Blah blah. Mine and Lauren's bed.
We have a lot of junk.
Table.
What? Vitamins.
The half part of the bathroom.
Vitamins.
Room number 1. Bathroom of room number 1. They already got their junk in here. What the crap? What the crap? Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to open this door. Ah! Justin, the door doesn't open! No, it doesn't! Oh, there's a lock. Whoa, ha ha ha. Step out, it's going to be tanning right here. Kidding. Open the door. Hot, cold, whatever. Living room. See, I just went in over there. Okay. Then go back in. See Mom and Papa's room. Dang it, it's locked. Well, this is the beach. I'm gonna go back in here. Whichever way the door. Ow! The door slides. I'm so confused. It's going back in the other one. I can't figure it out. And went back in the one I came out of. Living room. See how dried out they're struggling. And bedroom number 2. And then the number 2 bathroom. What?